Hi guys, so this is Canes Creek, and it's up one of these valleys up here. So you go through the valley and you just start riding along this wash. You can see there's some big rocks over here. So anyways, you just go through here and you start riding on this like ridge line that's right next to this river, or the wash. I call it a... Anyways, eventually it dips down into the wash, and sometimes there's water, sometimes there's not. But this one's a pretty long trail. I can't remember how many miles it is, but it takes a bit. But it has that fun obstacle, that fun area called Hamburger Hill that everybody likes to go play. Yeah, it's a cool little spot. But yeah, so me and Michelle are on day 2 here, and yeah, and if you guys look, see how the rocks are shaped all crazy? It's nuts. Right here it starts getting pretty tight. Getting pretty, woo! It's getting pretty tight. And you just gotta weave. You gotta dip and dive and weave. See, you're just going in. You're going through this whole valley. Check out these big ass rocks over there. You're like, that thing must have fell from way up top. That's a cool little area. Closed, and we wanted to go run Cliffhanger at first, but they had it blocked off. So when you come here, there's if you don't sign up for the trail, the paid trail guides, they'll close that trail for the day for the paid trail guides. So you have to go find something else. I've always just came down here and winged it. So whatever it is, I just, you know, okay, if those ones are closed, then I'm like, all right, let's change it up to something else, you know. Now I'm expecting there'll probably be people in over there by Hamburger Hill. I'm not gonna lie, guys, that spot right there was sketch. It felt weird because it was off camber and down. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, my girl killing it. She's killing it. Alright. I'd say we're, I don't know, 2 miles in, and that's what it's like for 2 miles. So we ain't even close to Hamburger yet. We're not even close, not even in the realm. Hey babe, it hydrolock. Pull me back. Michelle's winching me in right now, and the water is way above. So honestly, I did not think this was that deep, and I came bombing through here, and all of a sudden my motor just went clunk and stopped. Let's hope to God that my engine is okay. Hopefully the good old 2UZ is still kicking. Now, I do have to, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the spark plugs. And so I'm gonna pull all the spark plugs out. If it sucked in water, guys, this is what you do. You pull all the spark plugs out, and you then crank it and let it shoot any water that's in those cylinders out. So that's the plan, and hope to God it works, and hope to God I didn't bend a rod or something like that. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's pray to God, guys, that this isn't fucked. Let's pray. Go figure, right? The first time I get a trailer, here I am, boom. First time. This has never happened to me, and you would think, being in a monster truck, that this wouldn't happen, because you would have to literally be in an ocean to have the water up above your damn hood. But here we are.
I think video will show that you've gone through there and...
Well, I just pulled this spark plug from cylinder number 5, and I got water. No, babe.
What?
It's fucked.
What do you mean?
It's fucked.
Oh!
Look. Right here, look.
Oh, thing. Oh, how'd you do that? That's not from the water.
Yeah.
How's that from the water?
when
Oh,
the-
because it cooled it and it cracked.
No,
What?
because it sucked it in and the piston couldn't move, and boom, blew up the inside. That's what hydrolock is. It's fucked. Well, guys, my stupidity of trying to drive through the water, thinking it was shallow, really cost me. So when I did that, the motor sucked in water right here. And you would think, me being as high as I am, that possibly, how could it be that deep right there? Well, guess what? It was. And here, I'll just show you what happened. So I started pulling the spark plugs on this side. And then when I jumped to this side, well, looky looky. I got a big old crack right here in the bottom of my secondary oil pan. So that tells me that it definitely sucked up water and broke the damn, a rod or something in there is broken. But yeah, you can see it's completely broken all the way around. And the way I found out about it was because I looked at my own drive shaft and I was like, what the hell, it's super oily. And bada bing. So now me and Miss Cotty are trying to figure out how we're gonna get it out of here, because we're way in here. So I'm thinking we both don't have any snatch ropes, because I left mine and she left hers, so now we're kind of screwed. I have long tree savers, so I guess we're gonna hook up tree savers and see if we can, if Miss Cott, I don't even know, because it's so windy. It's so windy through there.
Well, and I don't know about my engine. My little prefix is already crying for me.
You're gonna have to have it in 4 low and full. I don't know what else to do. Like, I'm so fucked. Anyway, stay tuned. Alright, Scotty saved the day. Hold along. I'm just, oh my god. Holy crap. Here we go. Here we go. You guys should see how deep this is right now. Holy moly. Look at this. Holy crap. I cannot believe it. You just pulled me through some crazy water. Holy crap. That was nuts. Hey! That was nuts. I cannot believe this pulled me through there. Holy hell, that was deep as fuck. Not good. We are so far from town, guys. We're 15 miles out, long ways to go. And you got slack, slow. So looks like I get a new motor. So I have a spare engine that only has like 100,000 miles on it. It's complete. Works perfectly fine. Got it off of Facebook Marketplace. Only spent like 500 bucks on it for a complete engine. That it's a 2UZ that works perfectly fine. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am nervous about how we're gonna get around those cliff areas, because I have no idea on that one. No clue. As you can see, it's just in here in the middle of nowhere. And we got what? So that red pin that you see there, that is the start of the trailhead for this place. So yeah, here we go.
Okay, this is gonna be super fucking sketch.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm scared shitless right now.
We're gonna go nice and slow.
Guys, I just want to show you what I'm looking at right now. Oh, check it, a lizard. Hey, I'm flexing good. All right, on to the next obstacle. Oh, this is getting fun. All right, hey, we got slack again. Just rolling along. This is gonna be one of the wildest recoveries I've ever been on. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, if she can get me through this, oh my God. This is gonna be a story to tell. A story to tell. God, this is freaking shit. Oh, we made it. We made it. Holy moly, baby. Jesus. Whew. It's times like this right now that I wish I had my snatch rope. My snatch rope would have been great for this. Almost there. Little Miss Cotty's almost got me out. This is what you call teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. You need to call trail mater, thank God. Well guys, it is now. We started this little adventure at 12 or 11 actually. Looks like my rig's down for the rest of Easter Jeep Safari, so I'm gonna be riding with my girlfriend and Miss Cotty. That should be a damn good time, so that'll be cool. I'd like to see how she does when I'm riding with her. She'll probably want to strangle me. We will see. What is going on, guys? So, as you saw, Miss Cotty had to take me and yank me out the whole way out of Cane Creek. And that was only day 2, so that should be interesting. But
so for anybody who's keeping score, we're gonna go with Jeep 1, Toyota 0.
anyways, as you can see, she's gonna tow me all the way back to our hotel where our trailer is, and no fucks given is getting loaded up. Miss Cotty's gonna be the star of the show.
I think that Miss Cotty earned like 3 points because this was more than just a trail battle. This was like a full-on rescue. But we'll drop it down to 2 points because I almost took off his door. So Cotty right now is up 2.
Anyways, guys, peace. Here we go, the toe of shame.
Will this take us right to the main street, or am I gonna turn left or right?
This will take us right to the main. Right here, stop.